This is another how-to video for our WeVideo series. This one's how to edit out a mistake. We all make mistakes when we're trying to record stuff. You're going to misspeak, say something you don't want to say. Maybe somebody's phone's going to go off in the background, or somebody's going to walk in. There's lots of things that can go wrong. And the thing you need to understand is, especially if you've been recording for a while, like if you make a mistake in the first 10 seconds, hey, go ahead, start over again. Stop, redo it, start over. But if you're 3 or 4 minutes into speaking and something goes wrong, you don't want to have to redo that all over again. You're able to go in and you're able to cut out the section that messed up, and nobody is gonna know. So here's how I handle that. And I want to show you an example in this video here. I make a mistake. I'm gonna make a mistake. What I'm gonna do is, when I make the mistake, you'll see me. I'm like, okay, messed up, and I'm gonna wave my hand, and then I'm gonna stop talking for a couple of seconds, and then I'm gonna pick back up right where I made that mistake. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to patch this. So I'm gonna pay close attention to where exactly it is in here, and it's gonna be super helpful for me to be able to zoom in. So I'm gonna zoom in on the spot that I'm at right here, so that I can see specific times. You see there's 5-second intervals here, so I can get to the exact second. So let's pay attention. Watch when I make my mistake. See, I said paper construction techniques instead of proper construction techniques. Wave my hand, said, well, messed that up. And you'll see right here on my audio level, or right here, I'm going to start speaking again. Just watch. Okay. So this right here, where I say also, I got to get right to the spot where I start to speak. Okay. And I'm going to go right there. That's where I want to start. I'm going to come up here to my scissors and I'm going to cut it, because I know that's where I start talking again. And I say the word also. Now I'm going to come back here and find out exactly where it was that I said the word also. There it is right there. So I want to come right here, and I need to get rid of this section right here, because this is where I messed up. I got to click on that track to get it so that I can cut it out. Let's just watch it again. Whoops. That happens. That needs to go. I'm going to click on that section. I'm going to push my delete or backspace button. It is now gone. But now I have this gap, obviously. I need to take this part, move it right over there. And now let's watch to make sure it looks fairly decent. Cool. Did you see? Yep, my head tilted a little bit. Not a big deal. Nobody's going to know. How are they going to know? Nobody's going to know. And so you're going to just patch that up and move along and find the next one. So in summary, zoom in so that you can see where you're at. Find the spot where you recover and redo it again. Give yourself some space. Once you mess up, you want to just wait a second and then look like you did, and then start recording again. So you have that gap that you can go in and closely cut it. I mean, I could even get rid of just even a little bit more here, but I'm totally fine with that. Be fine with this. And then you're all good, and you keep going, and yep. And life is good. Nobody's the wiser. So use that split button, zoom in, cut them, move them together. Let me know if you have any questions. You're doing great. Keep it up.